So today we're going to be making one of my favorite desserts, especially around holiday time. I made probably 4 to 6 of these each Thanksgiving and Christmas growing up. It's always been one of my favorites, so we're going to make it today. And it is called Kentucky Derby Pie. A lot of people know it as chocolate pecan pie. Whatever you call it, it's delicious. So let's get started. All right, so first we're gonna take half a cup of regular sugar and half a cup of brown sugar, and we're gonna mix it together. Once you get your sugars mixed, we're gonna go ahead and add 1 stick of melted butter. Once that is good and mixed together, we're gonna add 2 eggs. And then you're gonna stir and mix your eggs in. Once that is well mixed, we're gonna add a cup of chopped pecans. You can chop them however finely you like. We like ours quartered. You can chop your pecans however finely you would like. You can chop your pecans however finely you like. You can chop your pecans however finely you would like. We like ours quartered. And we're gonna add a cup of chocolate chips. You wanna make sure your butter has cooled down or it will melt your chocolate chips. We speak from experience. And then we're gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla. And stir that well. So now that we're done with our filling, we're gonna get started on the pie crust. Take your pie pan and get your pie crust. We get ours at the local grocery store. We're gonna do a pie crust recipe in the future, but for now we're just doing a store-bought because it's quick and easy. I'm gonna set it out of the refrigerator a little bit before you wanna use it so it's easier to mold. So we've already preheated our oven to 350 degrees. Just let it mold to your pan. And then you want to go around and just fold the tip over. Now we've got the edges folded down to make the crust, and then we're going to go ahead and pour in our filling. So now that you've got it poured in, I like to just rotate it around, get everything good and even. And then we're gonna stick it in the oven and let it bake for about an hour. So we've taken the pie out of the oven. It's baked for about an hour. You just wanna watch it towards the end of the hour until it gets golden brown. And then we're gonna take a slice. It's always hard to get the first piece of pie out. So like I said, this is a great holiday recipe. It's similar to a pecan pie, but a little spin on it. It's super easy and everyone loves it. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to go like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Be sure to leave a comment and tell us what recipes you want to see us do next. Thanks for watching.